Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Today is Cheapy Tuesday and I've been shopping in multiple shops today. I've been to Iceland, I've been to a small Asda and a small Home and Bargain. I've also been to a charity store and you will see what I got in Cheapy Tuesday too later on today. So usually on Cheapy Tuesday I show you the items I've bought and hopefully some discounts as well. So I went to Iceland and I picked up these orange clubs. These are £1 for 5, and I got some ham that was reduced twice to 50p, so I'm going to make a sandwich later. I also went to Home Bargains and I spent £12.16. And this is what I got. I got some peri sauce. I'm going to cook that tomorrow for my son. He likes that on chicken. And this is 89p. Aldi also does this sauce as well. And I'm sure other shops do. I like the medium one because I find the hot one a bit too hot. But my son really likes the hot one. So that's what I got him. I got 2 packets of Pink Ladies, 4 in each packet, and these are £1.49. I think that's a great price because sometimes they're as much as £3 in general supermarkets. So I bought 2 packets, so my son's got 8 because he tends to have one with his tea and brings one to work. I got myself some fruit cake. I love this cake. It's just really moist, tasty, lots of big chunks of cherries in as well. Well, I think the sultanas in, and that's £1.45. Got some Cheapy toothbrushes. These were £1.49 for 3. I bought some paracetamol because it's winter now, so people are always full of colds, headaches, the whole 9 yards. And these are only 29p, so I thought, great, I'll get a couple of them. I bought a packet of soap like I usually do, £1.49 for 4. And I've been a bit indulgent today in a flight of whimsy. I picked these up as Christmas deckies. I just thought they were really sweet and cute and sort of goes in with that cottagecore feeling, which I'm trying to create in the house. And these were £2.49. So yeah, so if you wonder where about in the shop they are, to buy where the tinsel and the garlands hang up. And these were hanging up. I just thought they were really nice because I like anything with pine cones anyway. But with the little mushrooms, I know it's a bit on the nose, but I just thought, yeah, so they were £2.49. So altogether, I spent £12.16. Technically it only has a tenner for Home and Bargains, but I saved some money in Asda and I'll show you what I got. I got a big packet of cauliflower and broccoli that was reduced twice to 35p, so I will steam that tomorrow and I'm going to cook some sausages in the oven and have some gravy with them. So while I'm cooking my son's chicken with the peri sauce, I'll cook my sausages and gravy, and I might do a baked potato and cook these florets. And I love cauliflower, absolutely love cauliflower. I know it's a quiet taste. When I was younger and the kids were younger, I used to make what was called a white dinner. Really easy to make. I used to cook cauliflower and potatoes in a pan. I'd put the cauliflower above the potatoes in a steamer, and I don't know if you remember the boiling a bag fish, little like a square of cod in sauce. You could get it in parsley sauce or butter sauce. I used to like the butter sauce. So the fish was white, the sauce was white, the mash was white, and the cauliflower was white. So when we kids were little, we used to say it's a white dinner. So yeah, but my kids aren't that fussed on broccoli or cauliflower, but it was a case of, yeah, easy. I got some fats reduced as well. They were 40p. So I'm going to use them for the ham, so I make ham sandwich. I got some salad reduced, that was reduced twice to 37, so I'll have a ham butty with some mayo on with a side order of salad. And I also got these little savoury eggs These are were reduced twice to 69p, so I'll have that with the food as well. And I was weighed up, first time ever. Reduced hummus. This looks nice. Hummus extra. So that looks like quite a posh one. And that was reduced to 44p. Because I love a load of fruit. This was reduced twice to 57 pence. The plums. So they feel nice and soft as well, because sometimes plums can be really rock hard, can't they? It's like eating bullets. But these were nice and soft and squishy, and that's why I got them, because I thought, oh, they're already ripe. Some people might think they're overripe, but I like them soft like that. And I also bought 2 little tubs of blueberries for 38p, because I like to throw them in my porridge or in my Greek style yoghurt if I get them. So I'll soon work my way through them. It's made up because originally 148. So I'll have some of them tonight because I've got some Greek yoghurt in the fridge. So yeah, yum yum yum. So I'm really made up. I'll have a ham sandwich, some salad and some mini eggs for dinner, and I've got fruit for a pudding and a bit of cake. So no cooking for me today, yay! So let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you managed to get any reduced items this week, any yellow sticker labels, or any special offers? I didn't have quite enough to get me some yogurts, so that's why I bought some 2 packets of apples. The Mully yogurts are on offer in Asda for £2.50 at the moment, but I didn't have enough, so I got the apples instead, which are better for them, aren't they? So bye for now, and if you could leave me a comment or a thumbs up, it really helps the channel so much. And I hope to see you soon. And I'm doing Cheapy Tuesday too later on, so you can see what bargains I picked up in the charity shop. Bye for now.